Hello, how can I help you?
I can have a flatbread.
Huh?
What? You guys don't have flatbread? Let me show you.
Huh?
Flatbread is very simple. So flatbread contains a 2 shot of coffee, espresso, and with pomegranate juice, somehow you have it, and orange juice. So I got the coffee ready. Can't believe you guys don't have flatbread. You know, that's very disappointed. So 60 grams of orange juice and 110 grams of pomegranate juice. You guys have everything. I don't understand why, you know, you don't have flatbread. This is an awesome drink. And 2 cubes of ice. Once the espresso ready, pop it in the steamer and we steam. So we steam the liquid to about 55 degrees. Yeah, touch it, touch it, touch it. That's the temperature, yes? And then we just pour it. Now, you are going to get a vegan-friendly flatbread. There we go, that's a flatbread. Thank you very much, bye.
Huh?